Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an extreme deep clean with me. I don't know if it's extreme because I don't really let my house get out of control. If I do, it takes forever to clean it. It's not going to be one day. So I don't know how extreme or deep this is going to be because I just don't let it get that bad. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, welcome to my oldies but goodies. Hit that like button, please. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be an extreme deep clean with me. I'm going to be removing all the covers, all the blankets, everything, and getting those washed because it's springtime and my house needs to smell like that, okay? You know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for love. Okay, so let's get talking. What is one chore in your house that you enjoy doing? Comment down below. I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. So my next order of business after getting everything in the laundry is to go downstairs and tackle my dining room, which has been in a disaster state for about a week now, and I need to get it under control. So I'm gonna go downstairs and speed clean my dining room, which is a mess. I'm gonna show you guys. And this is the state of my tools everywhere. Keep on moving to the purpose now. To the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby.
dust is such a pain to clean. I don't even know why I didn't cover the furniture before I messed with the drywall. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this video.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So a question I have for you guys, how often do you guys do laundry, and how do you do laundry? I am not a fan of laundry, and laundry has never been anything that I enjoy doing. I hate laundry.
is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say
So today cleaning with me wasn't as extreme as I thought. I'm so sorry, guys, but come back here on Friday and I promise it will get better. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
you better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.
guys, so it's a new day, and the first thing I like to do is open up my windows.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true-to-love, true-to-love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true-to-love, true-to-love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level.
Okay, so good morning, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put what's left of today's cleaning video in Friday's video. That way I can go ahead and put this video up at 10 a.m. It's now 8:13 and I still have to finish up editing. I did the majority of it, so I just gotta go and add these little few clips. And I will see you guys on Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in my next one.